Holy sh! Are you kidding me? Woo! I don't even know how to hold this thing. Man, it's just one of those mornings. I wasn't even gonna film anything today. First cast, line broke off, whole rig, weights, hooks. Don't come swim out here at the 28th marker over in Port Aransas. It's out there. I go and I re-tie up, reset up the whole thing, rebait up, high-low rig again. Next cast, line snaps again. I've been fishing out here for a month. Oh, snap! Joe got one! All right, we got Joe the catch and release. All right. Oh shit. Gotta go. This is one of those mornings, everything gone wrong. I've already lost 2 rigs out in the ocean. I didn't want to film today. Guys, look what I just handed. Are you kidding me? Any idiot can come out. I don't know what I'm doing. Come out here. Look at the size of this red. Right off the beach, Texas coast, Port Aransas. Guys, check this out. 28-inch red. This thing is right at limit. The slot is 20 to 28 inches. This thing was half an inch bigger and I can throw it back. Look at this monster. I've never caught anything like this off the beach. Basically just using a little frozen shrimp and a little piece of fish bites. Threw it out there, it was out in the surf maybe 2 minutes before I landed this guy. This is going to be some serious redfish tonight. Look at this Texas red right off the coast, Port Aransas. Guys, I'm not a pro angler. You can come out here and do this. I'll see you out here on the beach. Portuguese man of war. Transform the fish from monster to fillets. I'm about to do a redfish on the half shell drill. I hope you enjoy. I'll let you see how it goes. Sorry, I missed a few steps. Hey, I'm a dad first. I always said that. I got 3 kids. I can't be running around doing videos all day.